why is working with an independent long-term care insurance specialist so important?
Well, I mean, from my experience, if you look at 100 financial professionals out there, there are maybe 3 out of every 100 that really know their stuff in long-term care. And it might be less, it might be 2. But I mean, there might be 15 or 20 out of that 100 that have sold long-term care or know something about it. But you really, I believe, you need to know somebody who knows a traditional long-term care policy. What are the pros? What are the cons? What are the pricing right now? What looks to be the best? And then a life insurance with an annuity or with a long-term care rider. What does that look like? What are the pros? What are the cons? What does it cover? What does it not cover?
I think also when you're working with a specialist, yes, you want them to know all those products and solutions and to be very familiar and intimate with all of those. But I think finding a specialist who is independent, having lots of carriers available to them is important. And then even having comprehensive knowledge. Do they have a good network of industry experts? Not necessarily in the insurance industry, but do they have home care agencies and facility locators and home modification companies and a great network of people that they can look to and refer to for help, a comprehensive planning perspective. So yes, we know that insurance is an important piece of the puzzle, but it's not the end all be all. We know it's a piece of the puzzle that a policy funds your plan, but it's not your entire plan. So having the conversation, who's going to provide care, where do you want to receive care, and how are you going to pay for that care? I created a family roadmap, a guide to extended care planning and end of life planning, and it's a 40+ page document that really helps people think through these things and document a lot of important pieces of information so that they can have a plan and be prepared.